Okay, in today's lesson we are going to do combinations. And so our problem says that we have 7 employees and 3 of them are qualified as machine operators. And we want to see how many possible shifts or combination of employees we can get for different shifts for this company. So our n is 7 and our x is 3. So we plug that into our formula, 7 factorial over 3 factorial times 7 minus 3 factorial. And that gives us 7 factorial over 3 factorial times 4 factorial. And then we factor it out. We get 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that is over 3 times 2 times 1, which is 3 factored out, and then 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, because we have 4, 3, 2, 1 in both the numerator and denominator, we can cancel those out. That makes our calculation a little bit easier. And that gives us 210 over 6 if we multiply that all out. And that reduces to 35 possible combinations. And in this case, we're talking about shifts. Okay, so that's how you work out a combination problem.